Everybody loves wrench knives, but are they actually any good? Wrench knives are one of those builds that look awesome, taking a tool like a wrench and turning it into a blade. But the truth is, the steel that's in the wrenches was never meant to be a knife. So am I making a functional knife or just something that looks cool? While I was forging, I noticed the steel started turning a yellow color and it had a weird smell to it. So I decided I shouldn't breathe it and threw on a respirator. I used the flap disc on my angle grinder to clean off the surface of the steel first. And after I did that, the it didn't turn a color and the smell was gone. But I kept the respirator on for the rest of the forging just to be safe. Now that I got the grinds all done, I need to work on getting the finish that I want. I don't like how this handle looks right after the heat treat. So I want to see if I can clean it up a little bit. So this is the wire wheel. It does a little bit. Definitely like how it looks better than uh, what the other side looks like. But now I want to try the buffing wheel and see if it shines it up. This buffing wheel can be dangerous. This is why. It grabs onto any piece of steel if it's sticking out a little bit. And you can see that that could be bad if that was a sharp knife. This is why whenever I do this, I do it before I've sharpened the knife. And I always wear gloves when I do it. So I didn't do as much as I thought. I thought I was going to do a lot better than this. So now I'm going to try going to my belt grinder and using the Scotch-Brite belt. And this is normally how I get things cleaned up when the wire wheel doesn't work. On the very end, this cleaned it up really nice. It's nice and clean and polished. But on the rest of it, it didn't do that great a job. So now I'm moving on to the angle grinder, and I'm going to be using the flap disc. And I'll link all these tools that I use down below. So if you're interested in any, you can check them out. So through the bottle, that cut pretty easily. Wasn't totally sharp enough to just slice it and leave the bottle standing, but still slice the top right off. Still really sharp. After doing that, there's no chips at all in the edge and no rolling or anything. Cut through this wasn't as sharp as I would have liked, but still cut through it. So now I'm gonna do some chopping. I'm gonna see how well the edge holds up after that. After that, still feels pretty sharp. I don't see any chipping or rolling on the edge at all. For the paper test. It's a lot sharper. I thought it was going to be still. On the chopping I did, that was plywood. I want to try a little bit tougher wood to see how well it holds up. So I'm going to do 10 chops just to see if I can get any rolling or chipping in the blade. It still has some bite to it on the edge. I'm not seeing any chipping at all. Yeah, it all still looks really good. I want to see if this cuts through paper still. Not quite as good as it did before, but it still cuts it. Going into this video, I didn't think this knife was going to hold up as well as it did. I thought in the end there's going to be rolling or chipping, at least a little bit. I hit that wood very hard and hit it so hard actually that I got my finger just a little bit, but
It was able to slice through paper. Each time it did get a little bit worse. Wrench knives are really fun to make, and even though this one did pretty well, they're not all like that. I've had some that really don't hold an edge at all. Just after a couple cuts, it won't cut paper. This one, maybe there's a little bit more carbon in this one than others. I still wouldn't sell these wrench knives to someone that wanted something where you really need that good edge every time. Like, I wouldn't use it to fillet a fish or any detailed kind of cuts. It's a fun knife to make, and it's a great beginner knife to make. They're cheap to get. You can find these at pawn shops, the wrenches. So they are fun, but I wouldn't sell them to people unless this is exactly what they're looking for. This one will be going to a charity I'm doing next month. If you guys enjoyed this video and videos of this type, let me know in the comments. Hit the like button to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in my next one.